Hey guys, Chris here with 905 Escape. Today we have a special video for you today. So previously we were reached out to by a company by the name of JoyTutus, and they sent us for free one of their cup holder inserts that go in the 5th gen 4Runner. We're going to be giving an unbiased review on the cup holder and how it compares to the Toyota OEM piece. We weren't paid in any way for this review, so on that, let's get into it. So let's go ahead and get this puppy open. All right. Now this is the cup holder insert that goes in front of the gear shift. I know on the 5th gen 4Runners there's two, one that goes into the slotted portion, and then this one goes in, like I said, in front of the gear shift. So right off the bat, I could tell the quality of this is pretty close to that of the OEM. It has some good thickness to it. You know, it's got some elasticity. There is a rubbered grip on the bottom of it. Just, I guess, keeps your cup or water bottle more stable in the cup holder. But yeah, it's pretty close, same design, very, very similar to the OEM piece. So now let's kind of compare this visually to the OEM. In my hand here, I got the Toyota OEM cup holder insert, and this one sent to us by JoyTutus. Right off the bat, very similar in size, shape, color, if that matters to you. I would say the JoyTutus, it is a bit thicker. Maybe that, you know, translates to better quality. These little rivets on the side of the cup holder, they're a little flimsy on the Toyota, but on the JoyTutus, they're a lot thicker and a lot sturdier. They're really not moving. I think that just provides a little bit more stability when it is in the actual cup holder in the car. So going on to the inside, apologize, it's a little dirty, didn't have time to clean it, but there is some of that gripped bottom on the bottom of the Toyota cup holder insert, but the one on the JoyTutus, it has a little bit more protruding nipples on the bottom of it. I guess that might offer you some more gripping power to your cups or water bottles, but honestly, yeah, they're good. Very, very similar quality. I wouldn't, you know, gripe on any of, you know, anything lacking on the JoyTutus. It, to me, looks very, very similar. So let's go ahead and install these into the Toyota and see how it fits within the cup holder in the vehicle. All right, so we're in the 5th gen 4Runner. So I got the OEM piece. We're gonna be putting into the cup holder like so. Flush finish, obviously is from the manufacturer, so there's gonna be no issue putting the cup holder in there. So removing that and putting the JoyTutus cup holder insert into the cup holder. It does take a little pushing down. And I think the reason for that is the JoyTutus is a little bit taller, but once you kind of push that in there, it does fit pretty well. So some differences between it, the OEM piece just slides right in there, no problem. The JoyTutus being a little bit thicker, a little bit taller, you do have to kind of push it down there and squeeze it in, but it is a flush finish. Honestly, I like how the JoyTutus fits a little bit better because it is taller and it's more flush with the actual cup holder in the car. So now let's kind of test different water bottles and see how the fit is with the JoyTutus cup holder insert. First, we're gonna do the Polar Pop, basically your big gulp or what have you, with the tapered bottom. Fits like any other cup holder would, doesn't really move, good feel, comes out easy, no problem. For all of you soda lovers, right guys, the 12-ounce can, fits in, no problem, little wiggle room. The JoyTutus doesn't really offer any, you know, thickness to it. So I would say the same containers, how it fits in the OEM will fit exactly the same in the JoyTutus. Maybe slight differences, but nothing too crazy. Next, for all you gym goers, we got the shaker bottle. Fits in pretty good, you know, a little side to side action there, but again, it's gonna hold it. It's not gonna be spilling anywhere, so I think you're good with that. Next, moving to a 24-ounce water bottle. It is a little bit slender, so honestly, very good fit. Again, a little side-to-side action, but it's good. And next, for all you moviegoers, we got one of the local movie theater cups here. Fits in there snug. I would say it doesn't hit the bottom, but as you can see, it barely moves. The rubber insert does hold the cup pretty firmly, so honestly, great fit there. And a little bit hard to get out, but honestly, for security, it's probably a good thing. Next, we got one of those aluminum water bottles. It's a little bit thin, but fitting in there just fine. A little side to side, doesn't tip, doesn't, you know, fall over, so I think you're good with that. So next we kind of have one of those Hydro Flask water bottles. This is one of the thinner ones, so it can fit in the cup holder. Fits in pretty snug with the JoyTutus cup holder insert. And one thing I do want to point out, just because the JoyTutus cup holder insert is a little bit wider, it is gripping the actual cup holder more firmly. So when you do pull up, it's not the insert's not going to be pulling up with the water bottle. Now, for contrast, when you do have the OEM piece, see how it just slides in there? If you do push this in, it comes right out. So, you know, if you're not careful, this could come with you when you're pulling your water bottle out, and it may fall out. And that might be one of the reasons why you need a replacement, just because you lost this somewhere, you know, pulling out your water bottle. So just one thing to consider when you're looking at these cup holder inserts. That's all the different water bottles and cups that we have for you, and it really does fit basically the same as the OEM piece would. So why do you need a new cup holder insert? So the reason that I pointed out before is you may have lost the OEM piece by pulling it out with your water bottle and just lost it along the way, or it's damaged, or maybe it's just too dirty and it's time to replace it. I don't know. But really with the JoyTutus, at the time of this video, it was the cheapest option when replacing this. We will have the link in the description below if you do want to check them out. They do have a lot of other great products, such as the portable refrigerator. We'd love to test it out one day because we do a lot of camping trips. But really back to the cup holder insert, it is a great option when looking to replace this. Honestly, I'll probably be using this as my everyday cup holder insert just because I do like the fit and the gripping action that this does offer. It's just a little bit better than the OEM piece. So if you guys thought this video was helpful, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments section below. And be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon for any future updates through our channel. And guys, thank you for watching.